Sunrise breaks over the bay, painting the water in gold. And for a moment, the whole world feels brand new. Good morning, everyone. Arvin here. Welcome to episode 5. Early morning in Halong Bay hit different, especially on the Ambassador cruise. It's calm, it's golden, it's cinematic, and the perfect way to start our final chapter. Starting the morning with a black coffee, a croissant, and the ocean view. So good it should change the entry fees. And after this peaceful moment, I will be doing exact opposite of peaceful, kayaking into the cave. So yeah, wish my arm good luck. So I am here on this tiny boat, heading towards the island where they will hand me the paddle and expect me to behave like I know what I am doing. But the ride is peaceful. Let me enjoy this before the kayaking start judging my fitness. Here I am, stepping into the island and heading towards the kayak base. The path winds through lush green, limestone cliffs towering around me, and I can already feel the adventure calling my name. Once we reach the kayak, the guide hands me the paddle and says 2 per kayak. Turns out I am the powerhouse, the engine. And the partner Israel guy up front, he is the lookout, the navigator. And yes, the guy whose main job is to looking cool while I do all the rowing. Fair deal, right?
You are a vlogger?
Yeah, I'm already doing it.
Come on, you can do it. Oh, it's okay, you relax, I'll take you.
We pushed off. Water is calm, limestone cliff rise like giant movie sets, and I'm realizing I didn't sign up for this level of arm workout. Every stroke I take feels heroic, or at least I'm pretending it does, because someone has to look like they're doing all the work, right? Let me shut up for a moment and let you enjoy this. Just soak into this insanely cinematic view, calm water, towering cliffs, and sun reflecting off the way. Trust me, this is Halong Bay magic at its finest.
Where do you wanna go? Yeah, yeah, turn around. No break, huh? It's okay, let's go ahead.
Oh my god, I completely forgot that I'm filming a travel vlog. I got so soaked into the cinematic view that I almost become a part of the scenery. Okay, focus Arvin. Adventure isn't going to paddle itself. Alright, so we glide, we struggle, we conquer. And all the while my co-pilot up front is busy staring into the horizon like he is in the music video. Seriously, kayaking here isn't just a workout. It's the masterclass in teamwork, patience, and pretending you are in the travel movie while laughing at your own struggle. Halong Bay, you're officially met your powerhouse. Back on the cruise, and yes, it's time for one last feast before checking out. The food is part of package, but honestly, with the view and the limestone island passing by, every bite feels like wow. I'm just here enjoying the flavors, soaking into the cruise vibe, and pretending that calorie doesn't count on vacation. Because let's be honest, the real adventure was out there, but this little cutlery pit shop totally deserved. Wow, what a ride Vietnam has been. From the bustling street of Ho Chi Minh City to the towering height of Landmark 81. I have seen the city from the sky and survived the view without falling. The night of walking street taught me the city never sleeps and the energy is infectious, even if your arms needs a nap after all the dancing. Then came to the calm of Hanoi, the quirky train street, narrow lanes that feels that the past and present collide in the most cinematic way. And of course the Halong Bay. Wow, the cycling to the village, exploring hidden corners of the island, kayaking with my front man co-pilot. I laughed, I paddled, I even flexed my engine power a little. From the sunrise to the sunset, from coffee in the tiny cafes to the feast on the cruise, every moment felt alive, cinematic and unforgettable. Vietnam, you aren't just a destination. You were an experience. And if there's one thing I have learned on this journey, is that adventure isn't just out there. It's every step, every laugh, every struggle, every quiet moment you take to just watch the world around you. So for all those journey, the big or small, here's my little poem to leave you inspired. Step into the unknown and let the world surprise you. Every sunrise is a story waiting for you to pursue. From the